3 easy ways to make money on Jumia. If you want to make money, all you need is yourself, a computer and a very good internet connection. Buy one if you don't have. You also might need a cup of coffee or whatever you like to drink, so that you can relax on your sofa and start making money online. It doesn't matter if you have a white-collar job or you are into business, a little extra cash added to the lot you already have won't be bad. Would it? Jumia is on hand to give you an insight on how you can make an easy living. Become an independent sales consultant. To be a sales consultant with Jumia Nigeria, you will be required to register, create your own team, a network of other sales consultants, and then start selling Jumia products and make money doing so. You can make up to 1 million nairas monthly doing this. The link is in the description of the video to start making fast money. 2. Become an affiliate partner. Affiliate partners can promote the products on Jumia and can get up to 11% commission on every successful order made a click via your affiliate link. You can make easy money online if you own a website, blog or just any useful social media account, e.g. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google+, etc. But first, you need to sign up for the affiliate program, find products you know people really want or the products you know your website, blog readers want or the product your social media networks need. Promote the products, get people to through your link, track your sales and earn commissions. How easy can money making get? You can also use the appropriate banners from the Jumia Nigeria's advert media via your affiliate account. Choose the banners that is according to your target audience from the various product banners. The good thing is that you can be upgraded to a premium affiliate and earn more depending on how well you promote Jumia. Regular promotions to targeted audience means more money for you. Sign up with Jumia affiliate program. Link in the description of the video. 3. Sell on Jumia Nigeria. If you have your own products and services to sell, you can easily sell them. Jumia will allow you to list your products for sale as long as you want to sell your genuine products online. To get started, you will be required to go to the Jumia seller registration page and sign up. After signing up, you will be able to upload your own products to sell on Jumia Nigeria. You can always contact Jumia's partner support via 0700 6000 000 throughout the entire process in case you require assistance. Sign up with Jumia Nigeria as a seller today. Link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video and until then stay tuned to aid the student.